Welcome back. For all the questions, check this playlist NTA OG series. Which of the following is not a natural traditional contraceptive method? Waltz. Yes, this is the answer. It is a barrier method. Next one. Whenever you have this kind of match, read the column with more words. Provides additional space for neurons, regulates posture and balance. So posture and balance are related to cerebellum, D1. D1 is only in option 2. This is the answer. So I will use this question as an opportunity to revise everything related to brain. Brain is divided into 3 different parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. So first one, forebrain with the cerebral hemisphere. The cerebral cortex contain motor areas, sensory areas and association areas. Thalamus coordinates sensory as well as motor signaling. Hypothalamus lies at the base of thalamus. It controls body temperature, urge for eating and drinking. So in the earlier videos, I have mentioned how the osmoreceptors present in hypothalamus increases the urge for drinking in case of excessive loss of body fluid. Now, in addition to this, it also secretes hormone, which are hypothalamic hormones, and it is secreted by special cells called neurosecretory cells. Last one, limbic system. This is related to the sexual behavior and expression of emotional reactions and motivations. Brainstem includes midbrain and pons and medulla oblongata. It connects the brain to spinal cord. It makes sense also. Brainstem will connect brain and spinal cord. Midbrain, it will be between forebrain and hindbrain. Specifically, it is below thalamus and hypothalamus. And finally, the hindbrain. Pons is responsible for interconnecting different regions of the brain. Cerebellum is involved in coordination. See, this is one example which you have studied in class 10th, picking a pencil. So controlling the hand movements to precisely pick the pencil, it is controlled by cerebellum. So in case of cerebral ataxia, then these fine motor skills are affected. Finally, medulla is involved in controlling respiration, cardiovascular reflexes, and gastric secretions.